मैं कभी वापस नहीं आऊँगा।
I will never come back. I will never come back.
दरवाजे को बंद कर दीजिए।
Please shut the door. Please shut the door.
वो सारे दिन खाली था।
He was ideal all the time. He was ideal all the time.
क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
मुझे ये सब मत बताओ।
Don't tell me all this. Don't tell me all this.
नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस पढ़ने से पहले वीडियो कर दीजिए लाइक और चैनल को कर लीजिए सब्सक्राइब, क्योंकि बाद में आप वीडियो की भावना में खो जाएंगे। मैं इस पर काम कर रहा हूँ।
I am working on it. I am working on it.
वो मुझसे रोज मिलता था।
I used to meet me daily. I used to meet me daily.
जल्दबाजी मत करो।
Don't be hasty. Don't be hasty.
मैं घर पर हूँ।
I am at home. I am at home.
मैं परेशानी में हूँ।
I am in trouble. I am in trouble.
मुझे एक मौका दीजिए।
Give me a chance. Give me a chance.
मैं इसके बारे में सोचूंगा।
I will think about it. I will think about it.
मैं यह नहीं मान सकती।
I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
मैं इसे संभाल लूंगा।
I will handle it. I will handle it.
मैं मजबूर हूँ।
I am helpless. I am helpless.
आपका गुस्सा जायज है।
Your anger is justified. Your anger is justified.
क्या आपको यकीन है?
Are you sure? Are you sure?
ये मत करो।
Don't do it. Don't do it.
उसने मुझे बताया।
He told me. He told me.
तुम बहुत बहादुर हो।
You are very brave. You are very brave.
सारी गलती आपकी है।
It's all your fault. It's all your fault.
टीवी को मत छुओ।
Don't touch the TV. Don't touch the TV.
ये तुम्हारा नहीं है।
This is not yours. This is not yours.
दूसरों की नकल मत करो।
Don't copy others. Don't copy others.
अपने चारों ओर देखो।
Look around you. Look around you.
मुझे घर पर छोड़ दो।
Drop me at my home. Drop me at my home.
बोलो क्या करना है।
Tell me what should I do. Tell me what should I do.
मैं तुमसे बेहतर हूँ।
I am better than you. I am better than you.
मेरे पास मेरी कार है।
I have my car. I have my car.
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया।
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
क्या तुम्हें पक्का पता है?
Are you sure about this? Are you sure about this?
अभी से ध्यान रखें।
Keep in mind from now. Keep in mind from now.
मैं तुमसे लंबा हूँ।
I am taller than you. I am taller than you.
वो सोचता ही रहा।
He kept on thinking. He kept on thinking.
पुस्तक मेज पर है।
The book is on the table. The book is on the table.
मैं तुमसे कभी बात नहीं करूंगी।
I will never talk to you. I will never talk to you.
आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा।
It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you.
क्या तुमने पूरा कर लिया?
Have you finished? Have you finished?
उसकी तरफ मत देखो.
Don't look at her. Don't look at her.
मैं थोड़ा काम में व्यस्त था.
I was a bit busy. I was a bit busy.
आज का दिन बहुत बुरा था.
It was a very bad day today. It was a very bad day today.
वो घर पर नहीं है.
He is not at home. He is not at home.
मुझे एक मौका दो.
Give me a chance. Give me a chance.
आज मेरा बटुआ खो गया.
I lost my wallet today. I lost my wallet today.
मेरी समझ में तो कुछ नहीं आता.
I don't understand anything. I don't understand anything.
तुरंत जाओ.
Go immediately. Go immediately.
उसने काम पूरा कर लिया है.
He has finished the work. He has finished the work.
अपने जूतों के फीते बांध लो.
Lace up your shoes. Lace up your shoes.
तुम बहुत बोलते हो.
You speak a lot. You speak a lot.
ये कैसे संभव है?
How are you this possible? How are you this possible?
कि नल नहीं चल रहा है.
The tap is not running. The tap is not running.
क्या वो ठीक था?
Was he all right? Was he all right?
बस यूं ही.
Just like that. Just like that.
मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ा सकता हूँ.
I can teach English. I can teach English.
खिड़की खोल दो.
Open the window. Open the window.
तुम दफ्तर कैसे जाते हो?
How do you go to office? How do you go to office?
भगवान ने तुम्हें मेरे लिए बनाया.
God make you for me. God make you for me.
वह अभी भी कमरे में है.
She is still in the room. She is still in the room.
ऐसा हो सकता है.
Could be possible. Could be possible.
कितनी जोर से मत बोलो.
Don't speak so loudly. Don't speak so loudly. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Do not forget like and share it. Thank you once again.